The reason we're here today is because cybersecurity is no longer just an IT problem. It's now also a physical problem. Everything that's digital now has a potential issue.
Here comes cybersecurity and data security. Again, it's an external important function that needs to be embedded in everything we do. Yet it should not stop us from moving forward. It should support the moving forward of the data culture that we are trying to create.
ISA as a global professional community that combines people from different industries, from different specializations, security, automation guys, and we are happy to contribute to these communities.
Basically, we truly believe that Bedrock is setting new standards in the industry when it comes to cybersecure industrial automation. The new technologies, the intrinsic cybersecurity concepts.
GSN take part in ISA events because this is industry-driven events. This is not an IT event, this is an actual industry event where industrial end user brings their problems and us, supplier of solution, we bring solutions.